Hey everybody, this is Dallin Snell here. I'm going to walk y'all through my page real quick and show y'all a little bit. So you'll have to bear with me though. I'm running my audio recording through my computer's microphone because my headphones microphone doesn't work and I don't have a better microphone. So the audio quality is kind of bad and I apologize. So here we have my home page. Just pretty simple. These photos, these images here are actually links to the tour page, the events page, and then the contact. Or I'm sorry, this is the, I don't know what page this is. Okay, it's the services page. And here's my services page. On the bikes page here, I have kind of the horizontal type menu going on here. It shows an image of the bike and then a little description of it here with a price. And I'm actually pulling, I kind of went a little above and beyond. These prices, and I believe the name, are all being pulled from another JSON file that I created. So I can just go into that JSON file and change the prices and then it'll be reflected here. Tours page, I have a couple of tours there with some information regarding it. The events for the Continental Divide event, and then I have the registration form down here. I was going to have it up here, but when I tried that, it smushed all of this over and there was kind of a 3-column thing going on and I didn't want that. So I just added the sign up below and threw it down here. I've already seen my services page. My contact page, it has the map and then this big red button here that turns into the form. And when you I'll actually put that on. Not that it matters. When you submit this, it takes you to this thank you page here. And this icon and the site title here is one big link that takes you right back to my home page. So now for the responsiveness, it's kind of wacky at times, so we'll see if it works. So there it sizes everything down nicely. You can't scroll side to side. See, that's where it gets a little funky. And instead of doing only on the one that I click, it goes right below it. So here's these. This all works fine. So on my phone, it will select the right link. Just for some reason in Chrome, it's a little funky. There's that. The events with the there. Services, still can't scroll side to side. In the contact, it has the map. And then the form. So, and these will still go back to the home page. One of the other things that I did, let me show you all real quick, is I minified all of my styles. So the jQuery UI, it came minified on its own. But I mean, for example, like my main CS file, I went out and minified that. Minified all of my CSS. This one I did by hand. That took a while. Don't do it by hand. There's a site out there, I think it's css-minify.com, that will do all of this in a matter of seconds for you. In fact, less than a second. And you can minify. I mean, it comes from all of this down to that, and it actually saves you a little bit of page weight for that. And I also did the same for my scripts, and I actually learned a little bit about programming logic while doing it as well. So I have this debugging script here that checks if jQuery is there, if it's loaded from the CDN or not. And when I minified it, it actually did this funky logic here, which took me a little bit to figure out, but once I figured it out, I learned something new. So that was nice. There's actually this one here, the include, it actually minified a lot. It took out a lot of space. So I did a lot of these. The CSS was the largest. Again, you see some funky logic here. And it actually shortened this variable name. This t variable name was actually named something else. In here is current title, it looks like. So it actually changed that. So you minify them, and it saves you, a little bit on your page weight and whatnot, and it's pretty cool. Thanks y'all for watching.